Morning routine boy. What? Too early. Let me sleep for a few more hours. Max? Don't you think it's time to get up already? I guess I should get up by now. It's too early. No clothes? That's fine. What about this shirt? Oh, ew. Let's see. I guess this one smells okay? No cereal? That's fine. Candy is just as good. Guess it's time to head out now. Morning routine girl. Oh, it's time to get up already? Okay then. Woo, I feel great. Just some water to help freshen me up. And nothing better than a healthy breakfast. Add a little touch of eyeshadow. And most importantly, my outfit. What about this one? Oh no, too much blue. Never mind. Wait, this one looks cute. Oh, no thank you. Oh, what about this? Wow, you look perfect, Lily. Okay, time to head out now. And I'm just on time. Using perfume girl. What scent should I choose today? Ugh, all of these scents are too strong for me. Oh, that one's perfect. Just spray a little bit in the air and appreciate the sweet smell. I love this scent. Using cologne boy. Wait, what's that smell? Oh, ew. Whew, that is strong. Oh, I know. Alright, this little bottle will solve my problem. Just spray a little bit here and there. Max? Don't you think that's a little bit too much? You can never have too much cologne on. There you go. I smell all good now. Seeing insects. Boy versus girl.
Cockroach! Oh, I'm so scared! What do I do? Somebody help! Somebody help!
What's going on?
Ew.
What? It's just a cockroach. Why are you so scared?
I'm scared of cockroaches!
Okay.
Is it still alive?
I don't know. Let me see. No, I don't think it's alive.
Ew! Throw it away and wash your hands!
Okay, here's your book.
Ugh.
Being sick. Boy.
Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm dying. How am I supposed to go to work?
Being sick. Girl.
Wow, 102 degrees? That's nothing.
Wrapping present. Boy.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to wrap the present for Tony. Oh, I got an idea. It's ready for the party.
Wrapping present. Girl.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to wrap the present for Tony's birthday! And then it's ready for Tony's birthday!
Hungry girl.
Oh, I'm hungry. Time to cook. Okay, time to make a fancy sandwich. First, grab a slice of bread and put it on the plate. Put some mayo on the bread. Then spread the mayo. Add a slice of ham and cheese and another slice of bread. And now I've created my favorite sandwich.
Hungry boy.
So hungry. Hi, can I get a sandwich, please? Thank you.
Hey, are you Max? I got a delivery for you.
Thanks, here's the tip.
Alright, thanks, bye.
Bye. Yeah, lunchtime.
Cleaning up boy.
Ah, it's so messy, I gotta clean. All clean.
Cleaning up girl.
The room is so messy, I have to clean. Finally, everything's clean now.